MeMo House by BM Arquitectura is a sustainably designed residence in San Isidro, Argentina, combining urban living with extensive green integration to create a low-impact ecological footprint. The facade is defined by green terraces and a staggered arrangement that incorporates both modern architectural lines and natural elements, blending visually with its urban landscape. Built with locally sourced materials, the structure includes reinforced concrete and a sustainable insulation system, enhancing energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact. The house is arranged around a central garden ramp that connects each level. This unique ramp enhances flow between floors and serves as a green spine that ties all spaces together, giving each room access to greenery. Natural light is optimized through large windows and openings that reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Energy-efficient fixtures provide supplemental lighting for a balanced and eco-friendly interior atmosphere. The use of sustainable, locally sourced materials, such as reinforced concrete and high-insulation windows, supports the home's eco-friendly objectives and further minimizes its environmental impact. The interior decor maintains a minimalist style, emphasizing natural tones and simple furnishings to focus on the surrounding greenery and create a sense of tranquility within the urban setting. Terraced gardens and native plants add layers of biodiversity and create a green microclimate, harmonizing with the structure's eco-conscious design principles. MeMo House exemplifies an eco-friendly approach to urban residential design, combining functional green spaces, sustainability, and aesthetic harmony with nature for a unique, low-impact living experience.